Obviously it's a profile view, and a year, maybe the other year, and we'll start with this line first, and we come all the way down here. Be nice if you can make it into one smooth line. Here, and for the legs, just something like that. Try to make it easy, you know. And connect the belly to the other side and the hind legs. The height of the leg should be similar. This one is the tail of the horse. It's better if you do this shape. The ponytail, obviously, right? So, and this point we're pretty much done. But if you want to do go extra mile, you can add something like this. Because, and you can fill that in with color. And look at that, we're done. You can add a little line here for the mouse if you want. That takes no time at all. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, this is how to draw a pony or a horse in 2 minutes. As always, I like to sign my name. Anything else you guys want to say, let me know. Make sure to leave a comment of if you have any thoughts, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.